Next see 7 marks questions. See properties of triangle, 7 marks questions. First question you see, in triangle ABC, if A is equal to ABC values are given, we have to show that capital R value, small r is equal to 4, R1 is equal to 21 by 2, R2 is equal to 12 and R3 is equal to 14. So already answers also we have. Only the thing we have to simplify it. Okay, and what is given thing, A, B, C are given, we have to find these values, right? So how can you find? We have already R is equal to delta by S, R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. So when you want to find R1, R2, R3, you must find delta and S values. So that first I am finding S value. The semi perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2, that is 42 by 2, the S value will be 21. Okay. And delta, how do you find? Under square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So under square root of 21 into, I am simply substituting the values, S value and ABC values I am substituting. Here I am getting 21 into 8 into 7 into 6. Here you may face the difficulty to find the square root. See, don't multiply all these things. Try to factorize it, try to make prime factorization, and then directly you take the pairs of numbers and then you find the square root. Here I am doing 21 as 7 into 3, 8 as 2 into 2 into 2, okay, 7 as 7 only, 6 as 3 into 2. Now I will make squares, 7 into 7, 7 square, 3 into 3, 3 square. See here 4 2's I have, so I can write 4 into 4, 4 into 4, 4 square. So square root will get cancelled, 7 into, it can be, this is nothing but 7 into 3 into 4 whole square, and the square root will get cancelled. You will have a delta as 84. Now what will be your next step? Now in your hand you have delta and S. Simply you can find capital R is equal to what is the formula? ABC by 4 delta. Remember, ABC by 4 delta is equal to, you substitute ABC values, 13 into 14 into 15 by 4 into delta, 84. How many times it will go? If you substitute here 2 2's, 2 7's. Okay, here 7 1's. 7 1's 7, 14 you have, 7 2's 14. Okay, here 3 4's, okay, and here 3 5's also you have. So this will be 13 into 5 65 and 4 2's 8. So we got the answer 65 by 8. That's it. And smaller value find out. Smaller, how do you find smaller? Delta by S, right? Delta by S. So delta value is 84 by 21. How many times it will go? It goes in 7 table, right? 7 3 is 21, 7 1's and 7 2's 14, 3 1's and again 3 4's. So our answer is 4. Yes, we got the answer. And R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. Delta is 84 by S. What is S? 21 minus A value is 13. That is 84 by 21 minus 13 is 7, right? Sorry, 8. So how many times it will go? 4 2's, 4 21's. So 21 by 2. And R2 also, similarly you can find R2, S minus B you can find out, R3 also you can find out, delta by S minus C. These values are 12 and 14 after the substitution. Okay, you do this substitution. Let's look at the next question. In a triangle ABC, if R1, R2, R3 are given, what are the given things? Given that R1 is equal to 8, R2 is equal to 12, R3 value is also given 24. Then he is asking about ABC, right? Then how do you find it? See, ABC with R1, R2, R3 relation is R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. That relation we have. Okay, so how do you find that values? If you know S value or if you know delta value, you can solve it, right? So for that, let us find R. First let us find R. Okay, R, we find R value. Okay, so given R1 value, we have a relation for that. 1 by r is equals to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3. We have this relation. So by this relation, 1 by r is equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. Take the LCM, you will have 24 as LCM. Here 3 plus 12 2 is 24. Here 1 you have. So this is 6 by 24. This is nothing but 1 by 4. So 1 by r is equal to 1 by 4. Taking the reciprocals, r is equal to 4. So in your hand r value is also there. Then by what is the use of finding r value actually means delta is, we have a relation, delta is equals to r into r1 into r2 into r3. So that this can be taken as 4 into, directly you substitute 8 into 12 into 24. Okay, don't multiply and don't make this question typical. Try to take the squares. See 4 into, I can take 4 into 2, right? I can take this one 4 into 3. I can take this is 6 into 4, right? 6 into 4 you can take. Now you try to combine it. Yes, 2 4s I have here, 2 4s I have here, 6 and 6 I have here. So this is 4 square into 4 square into 6 square. Yes, so this can be taken as 4 into 4 into 6 whole square. Square root and this one gets cancelled. You will have 4 into 4 into 6. That answer is 96. Therefore delta is equal to 96. In this simplification can be done in your own way. Okay, delta is equal to 96. Now you have delta and all these values. We know that r is equal to delta by s. So can you get s value from this? Yes, because we know r and we know delta. That implies s is equal to, can I write delta by r? Just simply I am interchanging this. S comes here, r comes here. S is equal to delta by r. You write delta value 96 by r, that is 4. How many times go? 4 2's 8, 1 remains here, 16, 4 4 16, 24. So s value also is there in your hand, that is 24. Delta value there, s value is also there. So and we have to find ABC, right? We have to find ABC. We know R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. Okay, delta by S minus A. That implies, can I write S minus A is equal to delta by R1? Right? I am replacing here. I am interchanging this. S minus A goes here, R1 goes here. You substitute here. Okay, which is equal to delta by r1 means delta value 96, r1 value is, we know r1 is 8, so 8 ones 8 twos, this is equals to 12. That is s minus a is equal to 12 you have. So s minus 12 is equal to a. S value is 24 minus 12 is equal to a. Therefore a value is 12 here. Therefore a. Similarly, you can find R2 is equal to delta by S minus B, which is equal to S minus B is equal to delta by R2. What is delta? 96 by 12, and if you solve it, you will get the value. Similarly, R3 value is delta by S minus C. S minus C, you send this side, R3. S minus C is equal to delta by R3. On substituting, this value is equal to 4. S minus C is equal to 4. We want C value, so that I am sending C here. S minus 4 is equal to C. 24 minus 4 is equal to C. Therefore, C is equal to 20. So A, B, C values we got. This is also same question. See here, R1 is given, R2 is given, R3 is given, R also given here. From the previous questions through this question, the difference is R is given. We have to show that A value, B value, C value. So directly you find delta. Delta is equals to, what is the formula? R into R1 into R2 into R3. So that 2 into 3 into 6 into 1. Nothing but 6 into 6 you can observe here. This is root 36, that is 6. So you got delta value. So R is equal to delta by S you use. You can find S value. Delta by R. Delta is equal to 6 by R value is 1. So S value is 6. Already you got S value. Now R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. That implies S minus A is equal to delta by R1. So delta value is 6. R1 value is 2. 2 3s are. So that implies Here you may confuse. You practice 2-3 times, you will get easily. See, I want a value, so I am sending this minus a this side. This minus a becomes plus a. This minus c this side, this becomes s minus 3. You have s value 6 minus 3 is equal to a. That implies a value is 3. Next, r2 is equal to delta by s minus b. So that implies s minus b is equal to delta by r2. That is, delta value is 6, r2 value is 3 twos. So s minus b is equal to 2. We want b, right? So that implies s minus 2 is equal to b. What about s6 minus 2 is equal to b? Therefore b is equal to 4. And similarly, r3 value, r3 is equal to delta by s minus c. That is nothing but s minus c is equal to delta by r3. Delta value is 6. You have 6 by 6, this value is 1. So s minus 6 is equal to 1. So s minus 1 is equal to c. You substitute s value, 6 minus 1 is equal to c. Therefore c is equal to 5. Hence we proved that a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4, c is equal to 5. This type of questions you will have 7 marks. Such an easy questions, right? You practice well.